Mold mitigation in Guam Department of Education schools. Confirmation of when that work will get started is spurring seemingly slow movement forward. Education officials during an oversight hearing on GDOE last month sharing that mold mitigation at the time was at the request for information stage in procurement.
In terms of the DLAN process, the primary one is mold mitigation.
Where's that at?
Right now it's at the AG's office.
Joanne Camacho, Deputy of Finance and Administrative Services, further sharing with Oversight Chair Senator Chris Barnett that the scope of work for mold mitigation was in the works, with an advertisement for interested bidders to do the work a week out. It's an answer the Education Chair wasn't too pleased to hear after months-long discussions on the issue.
We have worked with you so many times. We have been through countless hearings. And I'm just not happy with the progress. And part of why I'm not happy is because we have a whole administration that has promised to help fix our schools. We're still talking about mold mitigation. And so you as a leader should do what you can to get the resources you need for the Guam Department of Education, especially when we have other leaders saying that that's exactly what they're going to do.
KUAM catching up with GDOE Superintendent Dr. Kenneth Swanson a month after that hearing to gain insight into what progress has been made.
Right now, the contract for that, the proposal is being evaluated at the Attorney General's office, and we have the request for bids out right now. We don't have them in yet. But as soon as that's done and accomplished, we have the funding behind it to move forward and start the work.
We've been at this stage for a while, so why is it taking so long?
I'm not going to throw anybody under the bus, but I'll tell you that the process to procure something like this is complicated. The standards that you want to work to in terms of health standards, so we're working with EPA and other agencies so that we can find qualified vendors who can do the work and who are interested in doing the work. And that's the other side of it. You know, with many of the projects we have, sometimes we don't get bidders and we have to start over.
Swanson doubling down that mold mitigation is a priority to Guam DOE as the department is aggressively pursuing the contract.
We have the money that the legislature appropriated for malware recovery that's being managed through the governor's office, but that's money that we're accessing to do this work, and it's a significant amount of money.
Meantime, Swanson confirming during that December oversight hearing that the $20 million he's referencing has gone from $20 million to $14 million.